Okay, hello guys. After get feedback from Thai and take a look over your voice records, I see there are some point here, and problem is they have experience in marketplace and game, but in the general, the whole picture about the GameFi, I see they don't have experience to integrate the game, the marketplace, and the NFT because uh, they don't understand about the whole picture. So today I will record a video and explain with my experience about the whole picture. So I hope you guys can understand. Okay, everything we do. Uh, Everything we do it will around the blockchain. I mean the marketplace, the website. I mean the mining bay. So they will have the separate database. Okay, yeah, and we have the user the after the use. I mean the user. Uh, Icon the user wallet. Okay, and the marketplace and the mining bay, they will have separate the database. So how they can communicate with each other? So they will communicate via blockchain. They not communicate directly, but via blockchain. Such as when user he log into the marketplace or the mining bay using the user wallet. So in the database, we will store the user wallet address, and the user blockchain will store on the blockchain. Such as when user go to the mining bay and they mine an NFT, the user can import the. They also can go to the marketplace and import uh, the collection address to the marketplace, and then marketplace will scan. He can scan the collection on blockchain, and marketplace can show on the user NFT. So the point here, the marketplace no need to call to the mining bay or no need to talk to the database of mining bay, and he can also get the information about the blockchain and NFT from the user wallet. And it's the same with the game. They also have a separate database. Okay, and when user log into the game account system, they can use user wallet or the Gmail or phone number, something like that. But the game have to map in the user wallet and the phone and Gmail, and then in the voice record, I see that the game guys he don't understand about the blockchain, how it works, how the NFT works. So with my experiment experience is it will be the same with the marketplace and mining by interact with blockchain. The game guy have to connect to blockchain and also scan the first time he have to uh, scan the user wallet on blockchain to get on the NFT collection or the NFT yeah, from the user wallet. So that the way the GameFi working. And when the user have a mining something like that, okay, they mine a box. When the user mine a box on the website, when you show mining a box in the website, if I connect my wallet to the marketplace, you can see the marketplace also the can show up the NFT on the marketplace. So how? In the marketplace, we can show the marketplace after the mining on the blockchain. Yeah, you can see the NFT there. Okay. So the marketplace will scan the user wallet without notify from the marketplace. Marketplace also can show the user NFT on the marketplace. And it's the same with the game. He can listen on blockchain event and then he can update the user NFT inside the game. That is the way how the game can communicate with the blockchain. And when user log into the game, he can see the NFT like on the mining bay or on the marketplace. The NFT will be the same. So when user use the NFT, so how it will work? Uh, user when user use such as NFT item in the game will call to blockchain to update. Uh, he will make a update to blockchain update about the NFT like on chain, off chain, or lock, or burn, something like that. And then the marketplace will listen on blockchain, and he also can show up the NFT had burns, had update, had delete, remove, or transfer for another guy, something like that. And user also can go to marketplace and he sell the NFT for another guy. And after have someone buy these NFT, the marketplace will transfer NFT from user A to user B, and then the game also can listen on the blockchain event and he can update in the game the game side, also in the mining bay and the marketplace are the same. So the point here is the game mining bay and marketplace work via blockchain, and they no need to communicate to the database because the database for marketplace will very different with the database for game, and the mining bay also the same. So we have to talk with each other through the blockchain. That's how the whole picture we can image. Okay.